Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In the video I will show you how does this trigger work. This is a trigger I was buy from China. There I will show you how it works. How does it work? This gun trigger is used for slingshot shooting. If we trick this trigger, this is not move until we put the bullet. Yes, we put this like this. And the slingshot it works. This it will work. Just it's fur. Put the bullet on it. Rice. Yes. This we can shoot. Yes. Yes, this trigger is made in China. It built for slingshot guns. Yes, it's good. If you have any question, please put on comments. You can make a simple slingshot gun with this trigger. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video.